All right, so got from right to left, we've got the 3/4 inch gas hookup. We've got a little dog named Charlie. We've got our 3/4 inch inlet, cold water inlet. This is the controller, so that'll go up there. And then we've got a 3/4 inch hot water outlet with a pressure relief valve. Okay, this is all temporary. Got to put a Teflon tape. So you're gonna feed in, it's good, they're a little offset, so I'll have a cold coming in this way, hot coming out to this house. And then this is a condensate drain that I'm probably just gonna have a PVC close to it with some venting and let it just drip out to the outside. All right, so this is kind of the reason I'm replacing this thing is this has been leaking really bad. I've got it partially open right now. Some of the water is going in there. I've got it turned off right now. The gas is now off. I'm gonna go to the store and let this sucker drain, and I'm gonna get the parts I need. Got it. All right, I've got to turn the gas off. All right, I'm taking off the gas now. All right, I don't need this anymore. Actually, I want it up here. Hold on. All right, just ran down to the tractor and got my big one. I don't know if this will be big enough either. Yikes, that is on there tight. All right, let's get this water heater out of here. This thing is, I don't need it right now. Trying to sweat this off. It wasn't sweating, and I think it's because water was in the line. You can't sweat it, but there's water in there, you can't sweat it. Ta-da! Finished with this guy. All right. Now I got finished with this guy. Gonna go clean these up, and then I will sweat them in place. Still a little warm. Some of the solder's gone down there. So all right, interesting thing happened. Let me take you off. You see all this water here? I opened up the water main with this turned off, and a bunch of water came out of here. And it's because in my sink faucet, which I had on, it mixes hot and cold, and it was going through the sink faucet out to here. As soon as I turn that off, now it's good. And this is definitely pressurized. All right, any leaks? I don't feel any or see any. Gonna do the gas line next. Like, I want to point out too, I'm not an expert, a professional, and I usually don't work on gas. So I'm just, I have worked on gas in the past, but it's important. I know it's important that you don't get, I'm probably putting way too much on here, but I can't get in there. So. Hello. That feels pretty good. Okay. Next, I've got to put this on. Let's give that a try there. Yeah. I'm gonna get with that. There we go, and that's off. All right, I think I'm ready to go turn the gas on. All right, so just turn the gas on, and now I'm gonna check for leaks. Looking for bubbles. All right, so I've marked where it's going to go, where the hot, cold, and gas will be. So now what I need to do, sweat a new pipe in there with an elbow and run my cold line like this, just like this, up to there, okay? And then do the same thing for hot. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put that up in there. Okay, I've got my anchors and all of these except for the center because that's a stud. Mount this first. Water heater goes on top of that. Oh. I'm gonna hook up my service connections now. Here's the cold. Here's the hot. Okay, that's pretty good. Now this is the hot. This Teflon tape is scaring me because it keeps like fraying. I don't want any leaks, man. Those suck. Leaks suck. Okay. Drain some of this water out.
Sounds like it's working.
Oh, I haven't really hooked up. I got almost everything hooked up.
Okay.
I mean, to the point where I'm ready to hook it up to. All right. This is the cold. This is the hot, and the connection was not an easy one to coordinate. I'm going to turn the water on and see if we got any leaks from here to here. Okay, no leaks. From there, that's 3 fittings. Okay. Now I'll turn. All right, I have installed everything, and I've checked for leaks, and there's no leaks. I didn't film it, but I put some soapy water on the gas line. No leaks there. I have to put in the exhaust fan. Let me go do that real fast. I've got everything put in place. All the water, all the gas, all the exhaust vents, the intake vent. I know this is kind of ugly right now. I have to figure out how I'm gonna cut in just real quick. I've got some electrical up there. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm just gonna vent from the inside for now, which they don't recommend. And that's fine. I'm gonna fix that. First, I've got the exhaust going out of the roof, and it says you can use ABS or PVC, and so I'm using both for now. I'm gonna have to go to the store and really make that look nice. So I think I'm ready to plug it in. So let's give it a try. Okay, I've hooked everything up. I'm ready to plug it in, so let's go do it. Here, I'll bring you with me. All right, I've plugged it in. We'll turn the power on. The blower's going. I don't see anything going on there. Ah, there we go. Let's try 110. All right, let's give it a try. I don't feel heat yet. I'm not feeling hot water. All right, let's figure out why. Is it getting warmer? I think it is. Oh, it is. Yeah, it is getting warmer. Right, it feels warmer. I have it pretty low right now, but let's see. Make sure everything is working here. Yeah, it's 110. Can hear it ticking in. Let's see. Yeah, it's hot. We have hot water. All right, 110 seems a little low. I'm going to put it up to 120. There we go. Let me feel the exhaust. The exhaust feels cold, which I've heard it stays cold. Let's try it again. I just put it up 10 more degrees. It's pretty embarrassing. We got all these dirty pans. It's because we haven't had hot water. I wonder what a typical hot water heater temperature is, because this doesn't feel that hot. I would like it to be hotter. Let me read the manual and see what good temperature is. Oh, it's starting to get pretty hot. Like I can't. That's pretty hot. Like I'm not going to be able to hold my hand under it very long. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take my hand off. That's pretty good right there. Yeah, I can't hold it anymore. And it'll just keep doing that. Okay. All right, we're gonna see how long it takes. All right, we're at 43 seconds and it's warm. It's starting to get pretty hot. Yeah, I don't think I can keep my hands under it any longer. Okay, so since PG&E said they're gonna turn our power off this week for 2 days, possibly, but it's probable. I hooked up the tankless water heater to our solar. Got one battery right there, and it's been, that was at 12:07. It's 12:49, so over 40 minutes it's been running, and I've used the hot water and it's worked. So that's good news. It means as long as our battery holds out, we can still take hot showers and have hot water.